Hello friends, my name is Goshal Vastu and today we talk about React Native. So let's get started with the topic. So in this guide we are covering what is React Native, real mobile apps, UI and APIs component that is used by React Native and advantages of React Native, development environment setup for React Native, how to get started with React Native and conclusion. So let's get started with React Native. What is React Native? React Native is basically a framework for building mobile apps using JavaScript and the React.js library. Build cross-platform apps and run ISF. React Native is basically a framework of React.js and it's providing a platform for building Android and iOS app both. By using React Native, you can easily build Android and iOS app both. Uses almost all React.js concepts including component, state, format, lifecycle, etc. As I told before that React Native is a framework of React.js, so it uses all the concept of React.js library. It is still created and maintained by Facebook and it stands for View in MVC. Here MVC is the model view control and it is in a UI interface for your app. Real mobile apps. By using React Native you can easily build real mobile apps. React Native apps are not on a habitat, those are not run inside a container, do not run in a web view or a browser. As I told before that those are not on a web app, those are on a native app and those run inside any particular platforms. Use the same fundamental building blocks as a native app built with Swift, Objective-C and Java. React Native uses same building block to build the native app as we are building a native app by using Swift, Objective-C and Java. Better and faster than Cordova, PhoneGap, Ionic. Cordova, PhoneGap, Ionic is also a framework that providing the same platform for building Android and iOS app, but React Native is better and faster than them. UI and APIs component that is used by React Native. So friends, first we talk about UI components. So UI components are text input, picker, slider, switch, list view and scroll view, alert, model, progress bar, status bar, toolbar, Android, tab bar, iOS app. Here toolbar Android is in a menu bar for Android app and tab bar iOS app is in a menu bar for iOS app. So now we talk about APIs that is used by React Native. By using camera roll APIs, you can easily interact with the camera. Asynchronous storage is basically a local storage for your app. Geolocation APIs, so by using geolocation API, you can easily interact with the maps and also whatever you wanted to search. Advantages of React Native. Cross-platform, as I told before that you can easily build Android and iOS both by using React Native. Much less expensive, easier to code, save a amount of time, open source and code once and use anywhere. Development environment and setup for React Native. So if you wanted to get started with React Native, so you must install some software in your PC. So Windows user must install Android Studio, Android SDK 6.0, Max Malware current version, Android AVD for React Native environment. Mac user must install Xcode Simulator. So how to get started with React Native? So friend, if you wanted to get started with React Native, you must have basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Friends, here we are not using HTML and CSS, but we are using the format of HTML and CSS, JavaScript. You must have basic knowledge of vanilla JavaScript and also the advanced version of JavaScript, that is ES6. Here ES6 stands for ECMAScript and there are much more stuff you have to learn like loop lab, data binding, arrow functions, lexemes and etc. Flexbox. Basically Flexbox is the extension of CSS and we are using Flexbox to make our app more interactive and flexy. React.js, as I told before that React Native is a framework of React.js, it uses all the concept of React.js. So if you know about React.js, so it is pretty familiar to learn the React Native. Next.js is the optional one. If you wanna to connect your app directly with the server, so you will use Next.js to connect your app directly with the server. So conclusion is that there's thousands of apps are using or built on React.js, like apps like Messenger, Facebook, Skype, Instagram, Uber, Discord. So from here you will understand that how much React Native is powerful, because those apps we are also using those apps day by day in our daily life, and those apps also handling the tremendous amount of traffic day by day. So from here you will understand the power of React Native. So if you are curious to build your own app, then get started with the React Native today and create your own app by using your web development skill. So friends, if you like this video, so don't forget to like and share, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.